Level 2 Award in Food Safety. Quiz 3. Exam preparation for the Charter Institute of Environmental Health, Highfield International, Royal Society of Public Health and other food safety Level 2 exam bodies. Let's see how good your food safety knowledge is. Question 1. What is the most common cause of foodborne disease in food businesses? A. Food contaminated by food handlers not correctly and thoroughly washing their hands. B. Food that has been left at room temperature for 4 hours. C. Food that was not purchased from an approved supplier. The correct answer is A. Food contaminated by food handlers not correctly and thoroughly washing their hands. Question 2. Which route of transmission is most responsible for spreading foodborne diseases like norovirus and hepatitis A? A. Inhalation of airborne particles. B. Fecal-oral route via contaminated hands or surfaces. C. Contact with cleaning chemicals. The correct answer is B. Fecal-oral route via contaminated hands or surfaces. Question 3. Why is it dangerous to leave cooked rice or other starchy foods at room temperature for several hours? A. It increases the risk of foodborne illness due to bacterial toxins. B. It creates conditions for harmful bacteria to multiply to unsafe levels. C. It allows bacteria such as Bacillus cereus to grow and produce toxins. The correct answer is C. It allows bacteria such as Bacillus cereus to grow and produce toxins. Question 4. Which foodborne pathogen can cause illness with a very low infectious dose, sometimes fewer than 100 bacteria? A. Escherichia coli O157 SH7. B. Salmonella enteritidis. C. Clostridium perfringens. The correct answer is A. Escherichia coli O157 SH7. Question 5. What is the typical incubation period for foodborne illnesses caused by norovirus? A. Immediately after eating. B. 12 to 48 hours. C. 5 to 7 days. The correct answer is B. 12 to 48 hours. Question 6. Who is most at risk from serious complications of foodborne illnesses caused by bacteria like Listeria and Salmonella? A. People who are sick with the flu or COVID-19. B. Pregnant women, elderly people, and young children. C. People who do not exercise and eat a bad diet. The correct answer is B. Pregnant women, elderly people, and young children. Question 7. After recovering from typhoid fever, when can a food handler safely return to work? A. After 48 hours without symptoms. B. Immediately if they feel well. C. Only after a doctor confirms they are no longer carrying the bacteria. The correct answer is C. Only after a doctor confirms they are no longer carrying the bacteria. Question 8. Which is the best method to prevent allergen cross-contamination? A. Using the same chopping board but wiping it between uses. B. Clear allergen labeling and dedicated utensils. C. Cooking allergen-free meals first before others. The correct answer is B. Clear allergen labeling and dedicated utensils. Question 9. If a customer tells you they have a milk allergy, which option is the safest response? A. Offer them soya milk instead, it's a common alternative. B. Tell them the dish should be fine but double-check with the chef. C. Check the allergen matrix and speak to the chef before giving any answer. The correct answer is C. Check the allergen matrix and speak to the chef before giving any answer. Question 10. Which of these dishes is least likely to contain hidden egg? A. Grilled steak with barbecue sauce. B. Pasta with bolognese sauce. C. Boiled rice with maki sauce. The correct answer is B. Pasta with bolognese sauce. Question 11. Why is celery often missed as an allergen in dishes? A. Because it only causes mild reactions. B. It's rarely used in modern UK cooking. C. It's hidden in stocks, soups, and seasonings. The correct answer is C. It's hidden in stocks, soups, and seasonings. Question 12. Which staff member poses the highest allergen risk to a customer? A. The chef preparing the food. B. The server taking the order. C. The cleaner who uses food-safe sprays. The correct answer is B. The server taking the order. Why? Most think of chefs or food prep, but the initial communication is often where mistakes start. Question 13. Which of these statements about cross-contact is true? A. Cooking the food will destroy the allergen. B. Using the same fryer for chips and battered fish is safe if oil is hot enough. C. Even trace amounts from shared utensils can trigger allergic reactions. The correct answer is C. Even trace amounts from shared utensils can trigger allergic reactions. Question 14. Why is an allergen matrix important in a food business? A. It helps kitchen and service staff identify which allergens are in each dish. B. It's a legal requirement to display all supplier ingredients in the kitchen. C. It prevents staff from having to ask customers about their allergies. The correct answer is A. It helps kitchen and service staff identify which allergens are in each dish. Question 15. What is a healthy carrier in food safety? A. Someone who carries harmful bacteria but shows no symptoms of illness. B. Someone recovering from an illness but still able to spread bacteria. C. Someone who occasionally feels sick but hides their symptoms. The correct answer is A. Someone who carries harmful bacteria but shows no symptoms of illness. Question 16. Why is it unsafe to taste food using your finger or the same spoon repeatedly? A. It is considered poor presentation and may lead to customer complaints. B. It can cause cross-contamination between different ingredients. C. It can transfer bacteria from your mouth or skin into the food. The correct answer is C. It can transfer bacteria from your mouth or skin into the food. Question 17. Why is it important for food handlers to report symptoms like diarrhea or vomiting? A. So that their duties can be adjusted to lighter tasks until they feel better. B. Because they may still be contagious and could contaminate food without realizing it. C. To allow the supervisor to record the absence for administrative purposes. The correct answer is B. Because they may still be contagious and could contaminate food without realizing it. Question 18. When can a food handler safely return to work after having diarrhea or vomiting? A. As soon as they feel better and have no symptoms. B. Once they have taken anti-diarrhea medication and can work normally again. C. After being symptom-free for at least 48 hours. The correct answer is C. After being symptom-free for at least 48 hours. Question 19. Mobile phones are often needed in kitchens, for example WhatsApp groups. What is the safest way to manage this? A. Use your phone quickly, pressing lightly on the screen to avoid contamination, then return to work. B. Use the phone, but wipe it with an alcohol wipe after use. C. Use the phone in a designated area away from food prep, and wash hands after use. The correct answer is C. Use the phone in a designated area away from food prep, and wash hands after use. Question 20. Which UK law is the foundation for food safety in all food businesses? A. The Food Hygiene, England, Law 2019. B. The Food Safety Act 1990. C. The Safe Food Regulations Act 2005. The correct answer is B. The Food Safety Act 1990. Question 21. Which statement is true about food safety requirements in the UK? A. All food handlers must be certified in food safety. B. All food handlers must have food safety training suitable for their job. C. All food handlers must be licensed to work with food. The correct answer is B. All food handlers must have food safety training suitable for their job. Question 22. What can happen if a business breaks UK food safety law? A. Individuals and business owners could be fined. B. Individuals and business owners could be fined, and the business could be closed down. C. Individuals, including owners and managers, could be fined, the business closed down, and in serious cases, individuals could be imprisoned. The correct answer is C. Individuals, including owners and managers, could be fined, the business closed down, and in serious cases, individuals could be imprisoned. Question 23. Who is responsible for enforcing UK food safety laws? A. Environmental Health Officers, EHOs. B. NHS Inspector. C. Health and Safety Executive, HSE. The correct answer is A. Environmental Health Officers, EHOs. Question 24. What is the primary role of an environmental health officer, EHO, in food safety? A. To give advice and support to food businesses on how to meet food safety standards. B. To issue fines and close down food businesses immediately. C. To conduct criminal investigations unrelated to food safety. The correct answer is A. To give advice and support to food businesses on how to meet food safety standards. Question 25. What does due diligence mean for a food business under UK food safety law? A. Investigating food complaints thoroughly and keeping records of all issues raised by customers. B. Taking all reasonable precautions and exercising appropriate care to ensure food safety compliance. C. Relying on trained supervisors and managers to oversee daily food safety operations on behalf of the business. The correct answer is B. Taking all reasonable precautions and exercising appropriate care to ensure food safety compliance. Please like, subscribe, and follow for more food safety quizzes. See you next time.